So we are going to apply this right in kind of a middle of the nails. So now keep in mind, if you don't want any of the crystal placement, you can definitely top coat it and keep for 60 seconds and then you're good to go. But if you are going to add more crystal or more flowers or charm and chain, you can definitely add it on. So I'm gonna floating the no wipe top coat. And then adding this beauty right on. Give a little bit press down. And blend this. Now we are going to flash gear for like a 30-second first. It looks so good by itself already. All right. Okay. Flash gear. And now we can using is number the gloves from the sub box that I got, or I can using the mix packs from the sub box that I received. It's 30 seconds. And I am going to apply the condensed glue gels again. And now we are going to apply it completely and tie the nails. Just to, in case that you are going to add some of the crystal along with your 3D handcrafted flowers. However, if you like it just itself like this, absolutely looks gorgeous. You can really stop right here. So I'm go ahead and apply the is one good layer of the condensed glue gels on and no wipe top coat, floating on the top of unclear condensed glue gels. You can see that I applied it right on the centerpiece, the metal centerpiece. Kind of like protect it and avoiding and getting tarnish. So I'm gonna do it right here and also right there. You can do however you would like. It doesn't have to be in the diagonal. You can do a lot of different designs. I'm gonna add a couple of the green one I have here. I'm so excited. I'm almost doing the ultimate crystal kit because they're so cute. That's why I had a lot of different colors for me to choose from too. So I really like it. I'm gonna add some beads on. You know what? You can stop at any point. It doesn't have to be so I'm go ahead and add some beads on. I love to make it looks like a cute piece of jewelry. However, you can definitely go without the jewelry because without the bead because it looks already so adorable. You see, I'm gonna add it right between the crystals and the beads. I usually add it between the crystal or between the crystal and frame. crystal and charms to kind of separate them out to make it more defined. All right, if you're happy with this, we are going to cure. Let me see if I can find some of the curve frame right here. How's everyone doing? Happy Tuesday. I'm gonna add some frames on it. All right, happy with that. Go ahead and make sure before you cure, I'm gonna wipe it up on the edges to make sure there are no extras is condensed glue gel or top coat. And then we're going to cure for 60 seconds.